Welcome back. This is where we put it all together. You've got all your moves, you've got everything you need, and now we're gonna show you at least our version of how we would put this dance together.
Yeah, this is an abridged version, so it's not gonna be as long.
And keep in mind, your song is different than the song that we'd be dancing to, so you've got to choose the moves and put them together in a way that works for your song. If you're having trouble with this, we have that PDF guide that you can reference. You can also sign up for a Skype lesson if you need some extra help. Why don't we show you our version really quick?
Let's do it.
Again, Marie said it's going to be short, it's going to be sweet. We want to make sure our guests are being entertained and not ready to just walk off to the bar. So we're going to start with the side basic. A lot of songs kind of have a mellow start, so we're going to start off this way. And then we're going to transition to the box. Maybe the song picked up a little bit. More upbeat chorus. And then we're going to go back to the side basic. And maybe the highlights coming up now. Back to the box. And then we go to the side basic again. And Marie needs another spin. Gotta keep it entertaining. And then the end of the song, or where you're choosing to end. And bam. Cool. You guys should plan to dance like 1.5 to 2.5 minutes, something like that. We probably danced for what, 45 seconds or something?
Yeah.
So significantly longer than that. Any words of advice here at the end?
I would say take your time with it, have fun, maybe play around with those transitions and make sure you like where they are and see what feels best. But overall, have a good time dancing. People are there to see you dance and have a good time. And good luck.
Yeah, and if you feel like the structure that you put is not sticking in your brain, it's probably a good idea to choose a different structure. Make sure that it's not something you have to overthink, because the last thing we want for you guys is to look like you're trying to dance on the day of your wedding. You have the structure down, something that feels natural for you, so you can go out there and just have a good time dancing. Like I said earlier, feel free to reach out to us if you need a little extra help. We'll see you later.